Good morning, everyone. Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with our second part of the chapter, and that is chapter number 3, malware, computer malware, or in simple terms, as we all speak, computer virus. I have explained what it is. There is a video in the link in your on your Google Classroom also. I have shared a video of my explanation of the first part of this chapter, in which we have covered what is computer malware, how malware spreads, malware symptoms, and the effect. Okay, so children, if you have any doubt, if you want to review, if you want a revision, kindly click on the link, have a look. So children, as we are going to start with this, let us turn to page number 32. Okay, I will give a gist what all we have done, a briefing. We have done the type of viruses, we have done worm, and we have done Trojan. Okay, so I'll explain what is Trojan again. I will explain that. So I welcome you all for today's live session. Trojans or Trojan horses are destructive programs that can hide their intention as they appear to be useful programs. Now, let me explain this in a simple way. Trojan are destructive programs. We have already understood what are programs. Programs are instructions. Okay? Programs are instructions. Instructions, what do? They help the computer to understand what you want to do. Okay, or in simple terms, I want my computer to do a certain work, a certain task. So for that, I have to give certain instructions to the computer so that it can understand and then it can work for it. In the same way, destructive program means the instructions which are given are to destroy your work. Simple term, simple meaning. Good programs are the programs that can help your computer system to complete a certain task. Destructive programs are instructions to not do that particular work, to stop your computer from doing a good work. So how Trojans can hide themselves? They can appear in such a way that we are useful programs, we are good programs. Use us, click on us, install us on your computer system, and we can make it easy to work for you. We can make your work much easy. But they do not do that. They harm your computer system, they harm your work, they destroy your work, they delete your important files, they can even steal your important information. Now, they appear to be useful software, but actually damages your computer system once installed. Now we come to page number 33. And on this page, we have another malware known as spyware. By the word, the name which is given over there, I hope you can understand. What do we mean by spy? Okay, I'll put it in simple terms. Spy is someone who observes your action, who records your action. They are detective, kind of detective, yes. They keep an eye on you, what you do, what you are doing on your online services, what you are doing on your computer system, what you are looking at, what you are watching, what you are listening, what you are transacting. Transacting means a money transaction. They keep an eye, they watch your work, they watch your behavior. In the same manner, spyware, they do the same thing. This is a kind of software downloaded in your computer system once without your knowledge. You will not be able to know. They are hidden. Now, what do? They track your system's activity and then they report the same to the people who have sent that particular virus to your computer system. Okay? The same to the people who are ready to pay for the information. Pay for the information means that there are some people who can give money to hackers and crackers to get information of someone else. Information such as your bank details, your personal information, your account details, your credit card PIN numbers, credit card numbers, your transaction, maybe your company details, maybe your business details. And this is how they can get that information from your computer system with the help of a spyware. They can also use to collect someone's personal information for the purpose of identity theft. I hope, children, that you all know what do we mean by identity. Identity is some person or someone's identity, their information, their personal information. For example, the name, their address, their school details, and everything such, which can tell who this person is and where this person belongs to. So they can even steal that information. They can take your identity online and they can make fraud. They can steal money on your name and you will not be able to even know that this is happening. Normally, they collect information like email addresses, passwords, credit card numbers, web pages visited, etc. Now we come to the part spam. Spam is unwanted emails or messages which are forcefully sent to large number of people. Now, let me tell you one example. There must be a message on your mobile coming every day to get a recharge, or a message coming on your mobile every day that you have won 2000 rupees or 2 lakh rupees or 2 crore rupees. There is a message. Kindly reply on this message that, and then we will send you a link and then you will get your money. Such messages are coming every day on your email or on your mobile phone, personally or in a large number of group. You don't have to reply to such messages. We don't want such messages in our computer system, on our email or on your mobile phone. They are unwanted. People are sending these messages forcefully. You do not want them, but they are still sending you. Why? To track your information, to keep your messages and memory full, just to disturb you or annoy you. They do that just to amaze themselves, just to have fun. They are disturbing other people. Spam are unwanted emails. You do not want them. We do not want them. But they are sending. Now, let's see why. The most common form of spam is unwanted electronic junk mail, emails, unwanted emails. Companies are sending you emails, unwanted. You do not want them, but they are sending you. Why? Just to annoy you and have fun. That's all. If you do not want such mails, you can block them. You can block their IDs, you can block such numbers, and you can just simply block these IDs numbers and you will not receive any such messages or emails anymore. Okay, so the most common form of spam is unwanted electronic mail, in which a single message is sent to multiple people. Okay, single message, same messages are sent to many other people. So in these mails, service and products are promoted by various companies. You may get some promotion messages. You may get some promotion messages that there is a new launch of a product. Kindly buy this product. These are the offers coming, 50% off, 90% off, or free. A sale is there. And such messages are sent to large number of people so that they can see that something is coming, some offer is there, some new product is there. And these are some purposes, these are some things they can do with the help of spam. They can promote themselves. Most of the time these are annoying but harmless. Yeah, these are not very harmful for your computer system. It is just that they will consume the memory of your computer system or your cloud storage. By default, Google gave us 15 GB of space. And if you're not deleting unwanted emails on your computer system on your mail ID, that 15 GB will get consumed. And soon it will be finished. So keep on checking emails, and if you do not want such emails, you can delete them. However, sometimes these are used for identity theft or to do cyber fraud. Cyber fraud means simple: stealing your money from your bank account or stealing your information from your Facebook or talking to someone else looking like you. They can put your picture on someone else's ID and then they can message and they can just blame you or blackmail you. Now we come to adware. Adware we can understand because many a times nowadays we are getting some ads on our mobile phone also. While using a mobile phone, all of a sudden an ad comes on the screen. We are watching a video, ad comes on the screen. Then we have to wait for several seconds for that ad to finish so that we can resume that particular task. And this is happening without us knowing, without our knowledge. We do not want it, but still it is happening. Why? It is all because of adware. They earn money by showing an ad on your screen. Okay, the ones who have sent that ad, whenever it comes on your screen, they get money for it. We do not want those ads, but still we have to bear with it and we have to watch that. And our time is also wasted. Be it 30 seconds or 15 seconds or 5 seconds. Still, that much time is wasted. Now, adware is a program which delivers unwanted advertisement. What do they do? unwanted advertisement. They advertise the product, advertise something on the screen without you wanting it. Adware is a program which delivers unwanted advertisement in the form of pop-ups to your computer system or your mobile phone. While browsing the internet, these pop-ups start downloading by themselves. You do not click, you don't even have to click now. They keep on adding themselves. You just have to simply be online and these ads will start coming on your screen. And in this way, they eat up the bandwidth of your internet connection. This is why your internet connection gets slow because of adware. They are the ones who are taking your internet speed and also your internet data. Due to adwares, your internet speed also gets slow. You do not get a good connection and your internet data also gets finished very quick because of adware. And why is it happening? They just want to earn money and they will keep on sending such adware on your computer system or on your mobile phone. Due to the non-availability of sufficient bandwidth, the browsing becomes slow, causing the required page taking more time to download. And this is why some application takes time, some web pages takes time to open because of adware. Now we come to another part, and that is virus sweeper. Virus sweeper is a program which looks like an antivirus program. Okay, antivirus program. What are antivirus programs? Antivirus programs are such programs that can clean your computer system from viruses. They can delete such viruses. Okay, now what is a virus sweeper? It looks like an antivirus program, but it is not. Okay, they will say we are free antivirus. Click on us, install us, and we will clean your entire computer system from computer viruses. But they do not do that. They look like that, but they do not do that. It gets downloaded to your computer system. Once installed, it starts creating variety of files randomly throughout your computer system. Okay, they will start, what they will do, they will start creating files, random files, useless files. You cannot even open such files. You will not be able to open files to see what it is, but they will not get open, but they are there. And what they do? These files are harmless. Yes, they are harmless. They do not harm your computer system or your data information, but these viruses infect your storage devices. Okay, these viruses can infect your storage devices. Storage devices are your hard drive, your CD drive, your RAM, or your pen drive. They can destroy such devices because they spread, they takes the memory, and soon your whole computer memory will be full and you will not be able to store anything else in your computer system. But will not remove them until you purchase that program. They will also not be removed until you pay money for them to remove. You have to pay money for them to remove from your computer system. They are in such way harmful because they can take your money from you. Okay. Now we'll come to how malware spreads. Turn to page number 34 and we will keep it till here only. How malware spreads. Viruses are the programs created in such a way that they can easily reproduce their copies once entered in your computer system. Once they are inside your computer system, once you have installed them on your computer system, they start creating copies of itself and spread. And as they spread, they take your memory, they can steal your information, they can damage your information, they can send your information to someone else, and in such way they can harm you or your computer system. As soon as infected files are executed, I have given you a meaning of it. Once they are switched on or they are turned on, executed. Once they are activated, executed over here means activated. Once they get activated, the virus code activates itself and starts creating its copies and then attach themselves to other program. Okay, they attach themselves to other program and to boot sector, to boot record, and in such a way they can spread in your computer system and harm your computer system. Sometimes they stay inside the computer memory till it is switched off, and sometimes they stay active till the infected file or application is running. Okay, they stay inside your computer system. They can, once your computer system is infected with a virus, it is infected with a virus forever. There is no such antivirus that can totally clean your computer system. They can clean the computer system till 99.99%, but still there is 0.11% a virus is still active in your computer system. They spread automatically from one system to another through, I have told you, storage devices such as hard drive, CD drive, pen drive, or even through email. Storage media, networks, or internet. When a virus infected data source is used as an uninfected system, it copies itself to the memory of that system and starts infecting program files. One computer is infected, one computer is not infected. But when you transfer a file from an infected computer system to uninfected computer system, same thing will happen. That computer system will also get the infection, and then the virus will start copying itself, making a copy of itself and consuming the memory, taking the information, destroying your information from your computer system. When the system is switched off, the virus vanishes from the memory but resides in the infected files. It stays in the infected files. And whenever you switch on your computer system again, the same process will go on. So children, we will keep till here for today, and again we will start with the chapter in our next class. Okay children, so till then, have a nice day, take care of yourself, stay home and stay inside.